Okay, it looks great from this far away. We'll see what happens up close. I know this thing used to be pretty rusty, judging by an auction site from last year when it sold to whoever patched it up a little bit. So yeah, we'll check for blow by and then drive it up to the office and get a plate for it. Used Jeep for sale, minor repairs needed. Yeah, here we go. So you can see kind of crappy job fixing the rust up that was on it, but they at least cleaned the paint off and it doesn't look horrible. And it doesn't have the plastic trim that, you know, normally rusts underneath, so I'm not too worried. Does it unlock? The key fob doesn't lock or unlock, so maybe it needs to be synced. Okay, this van is full of crap. It smells funny. I wonder if that's water from when there used to be rust holes in the roof. Ew. Ew. Just gross back there, and the door shuts like crap. We'll have to work on that. This is, just see if that bounces all over the place. Hope the battery's not dead. Well, battery's not dead. That's good. Sounds like a diesel. Oh, nice. Yeah, see? It's like no blow by. That's great. Turbo still has a muffler on it. Where'd smoke come from?
A little bit of smoke coming out of the back. I don't know if that's normal.
Nah, who knows? We'll figure it out later. That other auction I saw where it was rusty, so somebody's replaced the hood and the rear doors for sure, and the grill, and they painted the wheels. And it had on the windshield over there, it said no brakes. Cool, brakes work. So check engine light, ABS light, wheel temperature, not wheel temperature, wheel pressure thingy. We'll check all that out eventually. The mirrors suck. I got ways set up, got a quarter tank. I'm gonna try to make it to Costco and buy some steaks. If it makes it to Costco, it'll make it all the way home, I think. The brakes work, that's good. I can't see anything. Oh, it beeps. Of course I have a backup beeper. That's amazing. No. Oh, boogies. I mean, it's not like fast, but it can get out of its own way. To make sure to keep the windows up so my temporary plate doesn't fly out the window. They didn't have anything to attach it with, so we're just hoping that we don't get arrested. This thing pulls fine. The engine feels fine. I didn't expect it to even be that quick, considering how heavy it is. Probably that's what that check light's for, is, hey, this thing shouldn't be this fast. I can't wait to tune it. Okay, we're going right at the light. That's flashing because it thinks the door's open, which makes sense because they're not the original doors. They might have been wired up, so I'm not going to worry about that. I do worry about that side door. Nope, side door's still shut. The mirrors suck. The left mirror's okay. The right mirror is not. It needs to be pivoted on that mount for me to be able to see the side of the vehicle. I'm not real impressed with that. It has a mirror here because it used to have rear glass. It doesn't anymore. Somebody switched the rear doors. Okay, I think I just hit a limp mode because I'm doing 65 and I got it floored. Happened down that hill back there. It's not smoking or anything, it just won't go. Well, it's going a little quicker downhill now, but yeah, clearly we just lost a bunch of power. We'll figure out what the hell that is. With the check light on, it's kind of expected something goofy's going on. So, yeah, we'll find out. Maybe it'll reset after I stop at Costco here. It's certainly going to make it home. I'd be tempted to jump on the highway to go home instead of back roads, just to see if it goes into like a limp again. Okay, stop at Costco real quick. That way, if I get stranded, got some beer and some steaks, some cheese, all of life's necessities. Starts right up. Probably, you know, radio code was messing with that. I'm gonna look up how to reset this for sure, because I think you can do it while you're rolling, but only if your unlock works, something like that. There's a way to do it, but I'm gonna see if it goes in the limp on the way home again, if I can reset it without having to pull over. Okay, I was trying to get the radio to work, but I don't know what it's supposed to do if you type the code in, or maybe, who cares, right? Low priorities. If we have power, I'm getting on the highway. If we don't, I'm gonna back road it back to the house. Probably it's gonna be, you don't wanna wait for me. Come on, go. Yeah, she knows. She knows. Oh, yeah, it's got power back, so, all right. We'll get on the highway. If it limps again, we'll try to reset it in motion. Okay, last stop before home. Still not in limp mode. I'm flooring it every chance that I get, so I don't know. When we scan it, maybe that'll indicate what may have caused it. Maybe it was a freak incident and it'll never happen again. Who knows? But, ooh, turbo noise. This thing's super rattly. The priority today is going to be cleaning it out, but I've got to go pick up a dishwasher. So we'll take the truck to do that. Let this guy sit, and then we'll get to kind of tidying it up a little bit so it's just less disgusting. Oh, here, actually, I think it did go into limp mode because I goose it. It won't shift down, right? It won't shift at all. So somebody behind me, I don't think he'll mind. I don't know if this is the trick or not. Oh, put it in neutral. Start it up, back into drive. Oh, it did not like that. That was really, it was upset. Started back up. Let some cars go by, let this guy turn left. Yeah, and now it's clear. We're back at it. Go. Almost to the house. Okay, well, we made it home. Hopefully this guy doesn't rear-end me. Alright, safe and sound. And there's Harrison in the driveway. Okay, now that it's home and I got my beer unpacked, I'm gonna take the pickup truck, and like these tires look new. Like all these tires have a ton of tread. So I think I'm really happy with it. Even though it goes into limp mode, I'll figure that out. Take the pickup truck to pick up the dishwasher that I need, and then this afternoon we'll have a couple brewskis and clean this fucker out. Oh, sick. Should I hang this on the wall? Maybe. No, oh, it smells in here. I want this. This is gonna go away, I think. I'm just gonna take it off, put it at the road. I don't know if anybody would want to even buy it. It's probably one of those things where they're expensive, but no one wants to buy one. Ugh. Nasty. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, and I gotta put that plate on the back, but I'm not gonna drive it around until we figure out why it limps. Yeah. All right, eat your heart out, Don.